Hello, everyone. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today, I'm preparing for my family shrimp with broccoli and carrots, and I'm pairing it with white rice or brown rice. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. In the next one.